Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain you about Odin dealer client with shortkeys and their uses. Kindly open your Odin dealer terminal. On the left hand side you will see a login button. Click on that. Give your user ID, password and login. This will take some time because all the scripts which are traded in all the exchanges like MCX, NCDEX has to be downloaded. So it will take some time. So be patient. It will take 2-3 minutes. Now it is done. Just press escape or close the window. Now you need to create your market watch. So go to the market window, market tab, open market watch. One black window will open. Short key for this is straight away you can just press F4. If you press F4 also you will get that. Then click right on that market watch. You have already ready-made portfolios there like Nifty, so all Nifty shares will come. If you press PSU, all PSU banks shares will come. So that way whichever portfolio you want you can select and get. If you need to create your own portfolio, take a blank market watch, add some scripts, right click, save portfolio. There you have to give your a name for that particular market watch and then save it. Now if you want to make or give some spaces between scripts, press shift plus enter in order to create gaps between the scripts. Or if you want to bifurcate between MCX and NSE, you can add a gap by pressing shift enter. Now on the script bar you can see all exchanges will be there which are allowed to you. Click on that particular exchange, select whatever you want to do, like if you want to do equity, futures or options, select that, type the script name and just press enter. So that script will be added in your market watch. Now there might be chances when your script comes in between your other shares. So if you want to remove that, just press Ctrl X and take where you want to shift that script and press Ctrl V. So that script automatically will shift from there to the place where you want it. Now I have arranged my market watch accordingly. Once you are done, kindly give save once again and save the portfolio. So next time whenever you want, you can just click on that portfolio and open it. Next is buy. F1 or the plus sign on your number board in the keyboard. You have to select the exchange. You must have selected a script. Just keep on that. The important is this one, RL and SL. RL is regular order. SL is for stop loss order. Then mention the quantity, the rate, client code. Since it's a dealer terminal, you will be having lot of series of clients. So whichever series you want, you press that first letter. So all that clients in that series will come. Select the client. Next important is if you want intraday, you have to place it in margin. And if you want delivery or carry forward, do it in delivery. Difference between Nest and this is this only. In Nest it is different. In this, for all intraday trades, it should be in margin. Next, to see the pending order, you have to click F3, which is same as Nest. If you press it twice, you will get all the pending orders. Now I am going to tell you about sell, which is F2 or the minus button in the keyboard. As explained, if you want to place regular order, let it be RL. If you want to give stop loss order, change it to SL. Give your quantity, rate and client code, intraday or delivery. If it is intraday, put it in margin. If it is delivery, put it in delivery and submit it. Once you submit it, you can see that your order has come below in a red line, red color letters, where it is mentioning that your order has been successfully entered in the system, and you can check by clicking F3 in pending order window. As I explained earlier, for particular script, F3 once, only that script will show. If you press F3 twice, all pending orders will come. Now for trades same, what we used in S, that is F8. For particular script, you can select F8. In this there are no trades because till now there is no trades. If you press F8 twice, you will get all the trades which have taken place, all the trades. Double click F8. Next is to find out what is the current position of your particular client. Since dealer terminal, clients will be trading in 2-3 terminals apart from his own terminal. So to get the actual right position, kindly go to net position, take integrated position, give client code and press OK. So you will get actual outstanding position as of now. I repeat, as of now, whatever the position is there, that you can see with all M2M quantity, everything. You can see everything like buy price, average price, net price, everything. Whichever columns you have added in your window, that all you can see. So now how to set this column profile. So you have to click on right click, select column profile, give a name for that portfolio, select whichever columns you want from the left hand side, bring it to the right hand side by pressing add and select that whichever you want, and then save that portfolio and give OK. So that all columns which you want will be saved under that name. After doing this, kindly press right click once again, give save column profile again. So the window will open exactly the way you wanted from next time onwards. Next is snap code, that is F5, F6, in which you can see the entire thing. The only change with Nest is that in Nest lower circuit, upper circuit is given, but in Odin DPR will be given, that is daily price range. So the higher end will be the first and the lower end will be mentioned in the second side. So the range which is given, for example 100 to 80, so the 100 will be high price, 80 will be the lower circuit price. Only in between this trade can happen, like lower circuit, upper circuit. So DPR is lower circuit and upper circuit. That is the only change when we see with Nest. Rest all things are there same only. Next is stock watch. Go to stock, select stock watch, give the particular client code and press OK. So you will get all the holdings. Advantage in this Odin is you get holding as per your purchase price. Kindly note, the holdings will be shown with your purchase price, not with yesterday's close price. So that was a disadvantage with Nest, but in Odin you get the actual price at what you bought. Same way as I told you, you can create column profile for this also by clicking right click, selecting column profile, select whatever columns you want, give a name to that and save it. Once you save it, close it, open it again and give save column profile so that the window opens exactly the way you wanted it. Next is F10, that is the message bar. Once you press F10, you get all the details regarding trades, orders and rejection. In Nest, we had some difficulty to check the rejection reason, but in this, it is clear in one message what was the margin required, how much is the shortage is mentioned in one clean message. So that is the difference. In F10, you can see all the trades, pending orders and rejection reason. You can also filter for a particular client by clicking right click, press on filter, give that particular client code. So only for that particular client code, all the messages will come. Only the given client code. So all messages relating to that client code will come. Next is how to get charts. Select a script in the market watch, right click on it, go to charts, select intraday. Control plus I is the short key. Kindly be patient once you give this command because it will take some time, a couple of seconds. So be patient. As you all are aware with charting softwares, all the required parameters like indicators, everything is inbuilt in this. You need to just select it and add it. You can change color, you can select whether you want line chart or bar chart or a candlestick. Like the way you want, you can set it. Time frame also, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, which all the options are given on that particular button. Same way you can see pivot points, resistance level, whatever you want to add, you can add from here. So everything is there itself. Now another advantage is you can straight away buy and sell from chart itself. Green one is for the buy and red one is for the sell. So you need not close the chart and go and punch the orders. You can straight away do trades from here by clicking on the green button to buy and on red button to sell. Now same way, by going to charts once again, you can take historical chart also. As I mentioned for intraday, same things you can do in this chart also, like time frame, everything you can change. So this were some of the important points which we covered, and we will request you all to kindly participate in the upcoming mock and try to learn and get used to this information. And if you have any doubt, you can call our helpline number. Thank you.